Have you ever pondered about how our food habits have evolved over the centuries? From the dawn of humankind, when our ancient ancestors roamed the earth as hunter-gatherers, our food habits have been in a constant state of evolution. As societies grew, we transitioned from hunting game and gathering wild berries to cultivating crops and domesticating animals. This shift to agriculture revolutionized our relationship with food, allowing us to settle in one place and form communities. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, where mass production of food became the norm. Canned goods, preserved meats, and processed cheeses flooded the markets, offering convenience at an unprecedented scale. Then came the 20th century, bringing with it the explosion of fast food and convenience meals, shaping our lives around the mantra of quick and easy. However, in recent times we've seen a shift back towards health-conscious eating and organic food, a nod to our ancestral roots with a modern twist. It's clear that our food habits have continuously adapted to our evolving lifestyles and societal changes. So with the continuous evolution of our food habits, doesn't it make sense to ask ourselves, what's next? It's an important question, especially as we grapple with challenges posed by rapid population growth, climate change, and health concerns. These are hurdles that require us to think differently about food, how we grow it, how we consume it, and how it impacts our bodies and our planet. We need to develop more sustainable, efficient, and healthy food practices. Thankfully, we live in an era where technology and science are working hand in hand to bring about innovative solutions. Picture vertical farming, a practice that maximizes land use and reduces water waste. Or lab-grown meat, a concept that could drastically lower greenhouse gas emissions. And let's not forget personalized nutrition, tailoring our diet to our unique genetic makeup for optimal health. Innovation in food practices isn't just a trend, it's a necessity for our future. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the evolution of food habits and the need for innovative food practices. But what are the key points to remember? Well, first and foremost, our food habits are in a constant state of evolution. They're shaped by a whole host of factors, from societal changes to shifts in our lifestyles. These changes aren't just affecting what we eat, but also how we grow, prepare, and consume our food. Secondly, it's clear that there's a pressing need for innovation in food practices. With challenges like population growth, climate change, and rising health concerns, we need to think differently about our food systems. And that's where the magic of technology and science comes in. They're driving this innovation, helping us find new and improved ways to grow, process, and distribute food. Remember, the future of food is in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it in a way that's sustainable, efficient, and healthy. So the next time you sit down for a meal, give a thought to the journey your food has taken and the innovations that have made it possible.